Head of this ministry, National Fraud, by Jawaharlal Nehru. It is a party of the Indian National Congress. It is started for the freedom movement. See, Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi were the president of the Congress party. See, when I was also a chairman of various boards and corporations, actually the shares will be there to protect the interest of any political party. See, I am the trustee of the Congress board. Does it mean that the property belongs to me? It doesn't belong to me. They had issued me a letter, notice to come to the police station. I asked them only one question: please give me the FIR copy of this. Still, they have not provided the FIR copy, so I did not go there. So I said that I will not be attending until I get the FIR copy. So I was so happy to hear that the Supreme Court has squashed this ED. This type of misusing the office, the ED, the image of the ED has been spoiled. They filed a case against me on money laundering case. That case has been gone by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court squashed the case against me. I think it is a big lesson to the BJP and the ED not to vote by the political leaders. How many cases the ED has filed against various political leaders? Why not on the various ruling party leaders? This is all the question. Ultimately, justice has been prevailed. Justice has been thrown from the seat of justice. We thank, we congratulate the who was sitting on the chair of the justice that truth has been prevailed.